The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Alright, now in this video, I'm going to present to you two videos that are being talked about on social media, and I want to talk to you about a picture that I saw on social media. Now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows some things that happened when a man who was holding on to a knife approached a man at a bar and demanded a refund for something that he had paid for. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you shows when a man who was holding on to a knife approached a man who was at a bar and demanded a refund from the man, viewers and subscribers. You see? And other persons was at the bar during the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. You see? I didn't get any confirmed information if the man who the man approached with the knife at the bar is a bartender or not. Plus, you may never know who that man might be to the business establishment, viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about the situation shown in the video. I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me, what would you do if you was a bartender and a customer approached you with a knife and asked you for a refund? Let me know in the comment section of this video, what would you do? You see me as a viewer and subscribers, and after I present the video to you, I will tell you what I would do. See? Now, before I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows when the man with the knife approached the man and acted as if he wanted to injure the man with the knife, in the viewers and subscribers. You see? So, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe, my people. People, that are the man who approach the man with the knife. Look
what
at one of his hands. Just look at one of his hands, viewers and subscribers, and look carefully. And listen carefully too. Listen. Look in the hand.
How much money she charge?
Listen.
Huh? You want to go where? Yes. Can you come on from behind my bar, please?
No. Just please, I didn't touch the glass. I didn't agree with the change.
Security.
You give my money back.
Security.
No argument. Or
security.
Hey!
you know what you're doing.
Sarah, man have a knife!
You know what you're doing.
Yes,
Give me my money back.
Ali, better call the
Security.
Call the police. Why is the police so strong?
My people, I only hope so that man give him back his money and de-escalate the whole situation and then do the right and necessary things about that situation. Yeah, like call the police. You see me I say? Yeah, because if I was in that situation as a bartender, or as that man who the man approached with the knife, in the viewers and subscribers, I would give him back his money. I'd give him a refund and de-escalate the whole situation. And then after the whole situation de-escalate and make him think everything good, me just call the police. Make the police handle the situation. You see me? Yeah, man. My people, I want you to tell me if I am right or if I am wrong. But in my point of view, I think that the situation as to where someone approached a bartender with a knife and demand a refund might be considered as a form of robbery. Tell me if I am wrong or if I'm right. But in my point of view, I think so. You know? And so may I say? Plus overall, nobody should ever use any form of weapons to demand a refund from a bartender or even a store sales representative or whatsoever. See me? I think that is totally wrong, man. See? Yeah, man, that's totally wrong, people. So, if I may, would call the police after me give me a refund and making go on. Making things that everything alright. Yeah, once the situation de-escalate after me give me money, where my demand, making go on. Because I don't have time to fight with people and task with a knife and a weapon and them things there. No, sir. Anyways, tell me what I think about that whole situation, viewers, subscribers, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, I want to take a good look at this picture right here. Take a good look at this picture right here. See me? Yeah, this picture shows some things that I think are slices of fried ripe plantains being sold somewhere at a business establishment. You understand? Yeah, those slices of fried ripe plantains wrapped in a parcel with a price tag on it, viewers and subscribers. You see me? You see the price tag? $260. See? Now, my people, I think about it, and in my point of view, them the slices of plantain there don't look like a one plantain to me for my $200. And them a hard time, yeah? Eh? See, I mean, I bash nobody and them business establishment of your subscribers because, you know, each to them own. You see what I say? Yeah, each to them own. Me I tell you, I mean, I gotta pretend like me rich, like me can just walk in a store and say, oh, fried plantain, they just alright, bye, boom. Oh, no, me can't. You see me I say? Now, here's the $260 question that I want to ask you, my viewers and subscribers. Would you pay $260 for 4 slices of plantains wrapped in a parcel, viewers and subscribers? Let me know your answer in the comment section of this video. See? Anyways, may I move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video posted on social media that shows a musician who goes by the name of Kaseeno. And in the video, Kaseeno said some things that gave me the understanding that he said some disrespectful things about a person who goes by the name of Photohype on social media. Now, viewers and subscribers, there are allegations that have been made on social media as to why Kaseeno said those things about Photohype and viewers and subscribers, is it? But I don't want to jump to no conclusion of viewers and subscribers, so I rather say certain things about Kaseeno and the Photohype situation in the comment section of this video. And you can also let me know what you think as well, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yes, so allegedly it is said that the Photohype said something or some things about Kaseeno, and Kaseeno responded in this video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So I'm going to present the video to you, and you can also let me know what you think. Now, please bear in mind that Kaseeno used a certain amount of harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
But the hype your mouth big like somebody has stuff something like man mouth must be big so. A man no full of inner people business, so Foota hype your mouth big like my shoes. Me wear size 12 and a half, I got 13, me have problem to find shoes. And Foota hype mouth bigger than my shoes. Who is Foota hype, man? Foota hype you own dancehall? You own dancehall, boy? I Sean have to come talk. I Sean have to come talk. What's your favorite dish? Foota hype. Big mouth Photohype. Where I shall not stretch out your mouth. With that Photohype, I shall not. Photohype. You can look hyper for me. I only a Photohype, by the way. We never going on dance and hear this. I play yet. Photohype your mouth look like you. Wait, big up all of the girls them. All of the girls them when me know in a history to blouse and skirt and have a big mouth like Photohype. The girl them lip them just cute and nice. This a boy you come out in a one make a talk and I come go on like say him a something. You're no artist. People expect an artist lip for big and him mouth can him at this me work with. How Photohype coming at this? Eh? Photohype your career not done long time, man. I can't you living in a pan phone, you know. I can't you living in a one BMW in a pan your phone, you know. You can't go to public place, not chat about nobody, you know. Cause you're not good, you know. For your career done long time, you know, Photohype. I don't see
people.
my friend them, you know, uptown and New Kingston, no one can talk, you know. Cause you still give them money, you know. You still sell them money, you know, Photohype. And show me love girl and have lesbian girlfriend and all kind of friend them talk. Cause the lesbian girl them know the boy them business we out in the street. So no fun when we are chatting, man. We have to be careful of how we talk because people have video we don't know, you know. I don't see people not stay like Uno.
People have video we don't know.
I don't see people not stay like dirty Uno. I tell you.
Well, that him say a while ago, no?
So Photohype, don't even call me name in your big mouth bigger than my shoes. And you know nobody. Me no rate you, me never rate you, me will never rate you, boy. Cause me no know where you do in a music business. Photohype. What is you if you call me name? You ever feed me? Yes, me and yam from man. Eh? That's why I tell you, say me no keep man friend. You see me? Me keep girlfriend, me no keep man friend.
My people, how him say? People have video we don't know or something like that. Yeah, some strong allegations had been made in that video, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, you see? Yeah, so it seems like Photohype said something or some things that Kaseeno don't really agree with. You see, me as a viewers and subscribers, you see? Yeah, I only hope so that that whole thing don't go too far though. I tell them, I hope so that whole thing don't go too far and get out of hand and them thing, they see. Me not jump to no conclusion, yeah, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, me not go jump to no conclusion, as you can say. Yeah, but the video that's been talked about on social media, that's why I'm presenting the video to you. See, I hear the thing now, still the viewers and subscribers. Kaseeno is getting a buzz on social media, you know. Yeah, man, especially about a video. So, you know, after that video there, bloggers talk about Kaseeno and what happened in that video, people. So, we just, you know, I don't want to jump to the conclusion or go too far with certain details. I tell you straight up and down with people. Yes, I. You see it? Anyways, I have some other left with the people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you and about the picture as well, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, so until next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.